Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. Will this NFO help you accomplish your financial goals, or will it halt you from accomplishing your financial goals? Let's find out by doing a detailed analysis in this video. Before getting to know more about this NFO, let's first understand what a large and mid cap category is. It is an equity mutual fund that invests in stocks of mid and large size companies. Large cap stocks. In market capitalization, top 100 companies are designated as large cap stocks. Mid cap stocks. Companies ranking from 101 to 250 are termed as mid cap companies. So large and mid cap category looks to invest in both by investing in top 250 stocks of the market capitalization. It is suitable for long investment horizon and aggressive investors. Suppose if your investment horizon is 7 years or more, then you can look to invest in this fund. It is helpful in creating wealth in the long run. Investment objective: to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing across universe of large and mid-cap segment. Here the large cap stocks can provide more stability, whereas the mid-cap stocks offer more growth potential. So overall, it enables investors to receive better risk-adjusted returns. Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid-Cap Fund NFO. This NFO is open till 20th Feb 2024. It comes under large and mid-cap category. It's an open-ended fund type. If redeemed before 6 months, 1% exit load will be charged. The fund manager here is Nimesh Chandan. It uses Nifty Large Mid-Cap 250 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for application is ₹500. Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid-Cap Fund NFO investment objective is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-linked securities of mid and large cap segment. Now let's discuss the investment strategy followed by this Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. It tends to generate higher alpha by investing across large and mid cap segment. It helps investors create a well-diversified portfolio by investing in large and mid cap companies. Overall, it looks to generate better risk-adjusted returns. It helps investors create a more dynamic portfolio, which again is more beneficial for their financial goals. There is active stock selection and sector rotation as well. First, they look to invest in stocks which are representing the top 250 companies of the market capitalization, and then they will look to allocate more for the sector which has a better outlook. In that way, they will be able to generate higher alpha for the investors, which again will help investors achieve their financial goals. Now let's understand the potential merits of this Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. Lower volatility when compared to small and mid cap funds. Invest in business having core competency and distinctive advantages to generate alpha. Offer better risk-adjusted returns when compared to small and mid-cap funds. It has higher growth potential than pure large-cap funds. Large-cap funds increases the overall safety quotient of your investment. It's neither a conservative nor aggressive investment, so overall it helps investors create a well-diversified portfolio. Just like knowing the merits, you should also be aware of the potential demerits of your investment product as well. It is not ideal for an aggressive investor to invest in this fund, as there is no allocation given to small cap category. It is not suitable for short term investors. Since it is an equity linked scheme that too involves mid cap category, there is high chances of volatility in the short run. There is no portfolio here. Because there is no portfolio, as an investor, it is hard to analyze the risk involved in this NFO. And since it is an NFO, it does not have a track record. So you should be ready to take a blind risk if you are looking to invest in this NFO. Calculated risk versus blind risk. Calculated risk helps you get closer to your financial goals, but blind risk is more dangerous, as it might even stop you from achieving your financial goals. During the bull market, this fund may underperform mid and small cap funds. So far, we have covered all the key aspects of this Bajaj Finserv Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor to achieve your financial goals, look to invest in this NFO or avoid this NFO? Suppose if you have an investment time horizon, say 7 to 10 years, then you can look to invest in this NFO. But still, without proper portfolio, track record and research, your entire investment might become risky, which again is not a good sign for your financial goals. If you are fixated upon investing in large and mid-cap category, then you can choose the existing large and mid-cap funds which has a good track record of 7 to 10 years. But still, before making any investment decision, it is always better to consult a financial planner, as he will be able to guide you on various aspects of investment such as investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation. Overall, his guidance will be more than handy for you as an investor in making those critical investment decisions.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.